everyone, it's Desiree. Welcome back to my channel. Thanks for joining me for this video. Today I am cash stuffing for the week. I have 404 that I plan on putting into my envelopes. I'm first going to start off in my wallet and take out some leftover money that I didn't spend in here. So spending this week, I have a leftover of 14. Most of this leftover money is going to go into savings challenges. So 14 from the 30 I started the week with. Eating out, I had 30 and now I have 10 left from the 30. And then groceries, $1. This is going to go in Costco, my Costco envelope. Coffee, I have a little bit left over from coffee. I have $4. That's going to go into savings. And then buffer, I have the full $10 still. I just needed singles, so I used it for change, but I didn't spend it. So that is going to go into savings. So let's see how much I have left over. So 10, 20, 30, 31, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. $39 left over. 39 left over. And 38 of that is going into savings. All right, so that's a good leftover amount. I'm going to put this aside. All this will be going into savings later, and I'm just going to refill these with the same amounts. So spending is getting 30. Eating out, 30. Groceries, 80. Coffee, 20. And buffer, 10. So that's 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, so that's my wallet for the week, and then we will see next week how much I have left over and can put into savings. Now to go into my binders, I have the black one up first. All right, I'm gonna move these up. So auto is getting 5 this week. So that's 1, 2, 300, 10, 20, 30, 40, 45, 50, 51. Plus I have 500 in the bank already, so that's 851 total in auto. 851. Oops. Electronics gets 5. So that's 110, 15, 20, 120 in electronics. Emergency gets 10. So I have 120, 30, 40, 50, 55, 6, what am I doing? 120, 30, 40, 50, 51, 52, 53. 153 plus I have 3,000 already in savings. So that's 3,153 in emergency. 3,153. Extra savings gets 15. So that has now 30. Furniture gets 5. $150, 60, 65, 70, 1, 2, 3. 173 in furniture. 73. Month ahead gets 15. So that has 100, 250, 60, 65, 70, 1, 2, 3, 4, 274. Plus I have 2,000 already in savings. So that's 2,274. 2,274. Rainy day gets 5. So that's 75 in rainy day. Nothing in registration, that's fully funded at 230. Road trip gets 5. So that is 30 in road trip. Scentsy gets 5. So 20, 30, 35, 40, 1, 2, 3, 43. and Scentsy. Subscriptions gets 5. So that's 100, 210, 15, 20, 220. And subscriptions. And travel gets 5. So that's 120, 40, 50, 55, 60. 160 in travel. Okay, so that is it for this binder. Next binder is the pink one. Go Wild. This week is getting 5. I have 500 already in the bank. So this now has 100, 250, 270, 80, 85, 90, 91, 291. Plus the 500 is 791. Disneyland is getting 10. I just went to Disneyland for my birthday. Spent the 2 days over there. I do have some money I need to unstuff because I did some mobile orders. So this is going to help with that. So I have 50, 65, 66, 67, 68, 69, 70, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 78. Yeah. What did I buy? Oh, I bought with cash. I bought some things, some pins, and I did mobile orders on the food stuff that we got. We didn't really eat a lot there because we stayed at the hotel, and my dad got us a room with a concierge experience where we were able to eat in this lounge area that had tons of food all day long, and you could take as much as you wanted. It was all included, so that was super nice. So we kind of stayed at the hotel majority of the time and just ate there. So that was good. But I do have a couple of drinks and a breakfast item that I need to remove from this envelope in an unstuffing. All right, so tires this week is getting 5. It was a lot of fun, but it was so hot this weekend. It was about 90. It was too hot. So I'm so glad we had that hotel to go back to and just cool down and relax. And 1, 2, 3, 405, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. So that's 414 in tires. Treat Yourself gets 15. I already have 500 in the bank. So with this, now I have 1, 2, 250, 270, 80, 85, 90. Plus the 500 is 790 for Treat Yourself. $5 in fun. So that's 20, 40, 50, 55, 56 in fun. I was planning on using this to eat dinner with my friend when I was at Disneyland, but she treated me or not, for lunch. We went for lunch and she treated me for my birthday. So I didn't have to use that. So that was super nice. We had a really good like shrimp salad. It's very nice and refreshing and perfect for like a warm day. Hobbies is getting 5. So that's 20, 40, 45, 50, 51 in hobbies. Christmas is getting 10. 50, 110, 15, 16, 17, 18. 118 in Christmas. Holiday decor gets 5. 50, 70, 90, 95 in holiday decor. Okay, so pink binder is done. Now onto the gray one. Beauty is getting 5 this week. So 5, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. I just purchased a bunch of things I needed, so I was able to stock up on some things, which was nice with this envelope. And I don't need anything anytime soon with this, so I have time to let this grow. Clothing is getting 5 this week. Oh, you know what? I forgot about this. Okay, I have to adjust this actually. So funny story. My coworker asked if I had any cash on me, which I always have cash on me. And she Zelled me $40. I'm supposed to take that $40 out and put it back in this envelope because I had this envelope with me, and I was like, yeah, I got 40 bucks to give her because she needed cash. So I technically have 40. That's why I wrote this little sticky note while I was at work. And then plus 5, 6, 7. I just realized my tracker is very, very wrong. I didn't update this. Okay, so I technically have 45, 6, 7, $47 in here. I had gone shopping with this envelope already. I bought 2 new like sweatshirts, like little sweaters actually, from Old Navy. So yeah, this envelope obviously is very messed up, but I have 47 in here now with that 5. Okay, I completely forgot about that. I need to go to the bank and take that money out. It was funny because she was like, it's not gonna mess up your envelopes, right? And I'm like, no, it's fine. Which it didn't mess up my envelope, so I just forgot to go to the bank and pull the money out. That's okay. Costco is getting 5, and also the 1 from my leftover money. So I have 10, 15, 20, 21, 22 in Costco. So let me adjust this one and add $1, 22. So this one got 5 and 1, so that's 22. Family is getting 10, 30. Gifts is getting 5. So that's 20, 25, 30, 31 in gifts. Home is getting 5. 20, 40, 60, 70, 75, 80, 1, 2, 3, 83 in home. Household is getting 5. So that's 10 in household. Pantry is getting 5 because right now it's not at the 30 that I usually like to have this at because I bought some salt with it. So 20, 25, 26, 27 in pantry. Target gets 5. So that's 20, 25, 30. Okay, 30 bucks. All right, perfect. Now I'm going into my savings. Okay, first up, I have 100 envelope. My plan was to do 5, but I always bump it up to a higher amount with leftover money. So I'm going to take for sure 2 10s and probably some of these ones. We'll see what I can do. So I have 25 right now. I don't know if 25 is open, but I'll probably want to do like 27 or something. Okay, I could do 27 or I could do 29 actually. I don't have anything on this one yet, so maybe I'll do that. 1, 2, 3, 4. 10, 20, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29. And then at the end of this month, I plan on taking all these lower amounts and pushing them to higher amounts and opening up all of these back up so that way I can knock out those high numbers with these lower ones. That's been my strategy for trying to, you know, fill these up. So that'll help to at least fill up. Hopefully I can fill up at least one of these pages. Hopefully we'll get filled up with all this. But like I said, at the end of the month, when I unstuff, I will be doing this at the end. Okay, so that was 29 instead of 5. Cash Dash 1, which is this challenge right here. This one, which is a $10 challenge. I'm coloring around this board. And once you're done, you save $500. So I plan on 10, but I do have this other 10, so I can do 20. And I'm going to do a different color each time I do for a week, so I can see the difference. So last week I did 2. This week I'm doing 2. Okay, and this one, it's $10. I'm not each section, it's not saving that amount. It's just adding up each one. So now I'm at 40, like keeping track of the amount that you've saved. But each little section is $10, just because I think there was a little confusion on that. But yeah, I should have 40 now saved for this challenge. And then at the end, I'll have 500. Because that would be too difficult for me to do this challenge if I had to do 350 or any of those higher amounts. For $10, I can do $10. Okay, so back to my tracker. So I did 20 instead of 10. Okay, that goes in here. Oh, I should just do the other. No, I'm gonna come back. Well, actually, yeah, I'll do that one. Okay, so I have this cash stash, which I plan on doing 2, but I have leftover money. So I have 2. I'm gonna do, we'll just do 5. Okay, so I'm gonna do 5 and color in one of these 5 areas. Let's see, I guess I'll do, I don't want to get any other colors. I only have like 3 colors over here. So I'm just gonna do blue for this button. Cool. So instead of 2, I did 5. That's cash stash. This one's my cash stash too. I haven't made a little label for it yet. Hello Spring is getting 14. So 10, 1, 2, 3, 4. 14 in this challenge. This challenge is from my Patreon if you want a little spring challenge. That one is where I have that as a download. So that got 14. The bear challenge is getting 5. I guess I'm doing 5. I forgot to bump this one up, but that's okay. So this one is just gonna get 5 for this week. Let me mark off the 5. All right, cool. That one's done. So that got 5. And then the last, oh, the $5 challenge. Oh, wait, I wrote the wrong one. Oh, that one's getting 5 though. Okay. This one is the $5 challenge. It's getting 5. So I get to color in one little piggy. I'm working on making more of these because they're out of stock on my shop right now. So bear with me. I finally got my wallets. Finally got delivered. That took a while. But they finally have arrived and I just need to check them. The binders have been here. I already checked my binders. So those look good because I like to look through them and make sure the quality is good. I do have some that are not, that I'll have at reduced pricing, but majority of them are good. So that's good. So yeah, working on shop stuff right now. So hopefully soon, by the end of the month, I can have things completely restocked and some new things. Dollar challenge, I plan on 2. I have 3 now for the dollar challenge. So 3. Okay, dollar challenge. That is gonna be it for this cash stuffing. Everything is where it needs to be. Everything, yeah, gone from the tray. And that is gonna be it for this cash stuffing video. So I hope you enjoyed watching. If you did, please give this video a thumbs up. If you want to see more, make sure to hit that subscribe button and I will see you in the next one.